Hey guys, my name is Ishan and I've been waiting for ages to film this video. It is finally nearly the end of the year and I've been waiting quite a while to share this with you. But today I'm going to be talking about how much money I have earned throughout 2021 and how I've made this money. Again, this is to inspire you, not to brag or anything. You can do it. If you don't want to watch, then I would click off. But yeah, let's have a look. So I'm going to start off with YouTube, which is the easiest one to start off with because it basically gives me a figure right in front of me. But I've only got around 9,516 subscribers to this second. I'm currently looking at my subscriber count. It is not going up or going down, thankfully. Hopefully it goes up. So if you're seeing this, you know what to do. But this is how much I've made this year, which is £703.26p. So I only became monetized, I think, in July. So I've only had around 5 months to actually earn money on YouTube. So if I had to say roughly, I'd say I would have made £1,300 from YouTube if I had been monetized in January, but obviously this isn't possible because I didn't make content in January, or I didn't have enough subscribers in January. Now let's move on to TikTok, which is another easy one because it gives me a figure straight away, but you can see the figure here now. So I've made around £990.50. Hopefully £1,000 by the 31st of December. I'm filming this on the 24th of December, Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to everyone celebrating. And I just wanted to say that the TikTok pay is absolutely shit. It's complete shit. Do not start TikTok if you're looking to get paid from it. It is completely shit. I'm going to say this because if you're a starting creator on TikTok, you're not going to make anything. I'm telling you, it's absolutely terrible. You make 3 pence or 2 pence per 1,000 views, whereas on YouTube you make like £3 per 1,000 views. So you make more on YouTube, but pennies on TikTok. And I have 170,000 followers on TikTok and only make that much. And I only have 9,500 subscribers on YouTube and make way more on YouTube than on TikTok, which is annoying because TikTok's my platform. I love TikTok, but the pay is not. It's just not it. So please, TikTok, if you're watching this, it would be great if you could raise your creator fund pay. Now the next one's a bit trickier to give you an actual sort of a true figure. So this one is about tutoring. So I've been tutoring since, I'd say, February last year. And this was when I started off with charging £5 an hour back then. I thought this was good. I was making so much money. I was so happy. I had like 5 clients a week. I was making £25 a week. I was really happy with this because of everything. And then I thought to myself, £25 a week for giving up 5 hours. That's just not it. But the figure I've made from tutoring is £4,002.49, which also includes my new crash courses, which I'll talk about in a second. But yeah, I started off with charging £5 an hour, which was terrible. Then I moved to £10 an hour, then I moved to £15 an hour, then £16 an hour. Now I'm at around £18 to £20 an hour. I also introduced these crash courses. If you guys do want to sign up, then the link will be in my bio. But I'm charging £2 for 2 hours of teaching of a live webinar for GCSE Sciences. So I basically charge people around £6 a month to get 4 lessons, 4 2-hour-long sessions for GCSE Sciences, for Foundation and Higher, for Triple and Combined Science. Around 200 people have signed up, not 200 individual people. I've had 200 sign-ups in the last 1.5 weeks. So I'm pretty proud of myself from the tutoring thing that I started because yeah, it's been doing really well. Again, if you guys do need any help for GCSE Sciences or anything, then I'd recommend the crash courses. We've got really good experienced tutors teaching. Just click the link in my description. Now we go on to the big chunk of money that I've made, which comes from sponsorships. But sponsorships, again, I didn't start making sponsorships until around July. So I'd say this video is more of like a half a year thing. But no, I didn't start making sponsorships until July. And my biggest sponsorship, I cannot tell you which one, I'm sorry, I wish I would, I wish I could. But this one was on TikTok. My biggest sponsorship has been $2,500 which was really, really crazy because I never knew I could do something like this, and like three minutes of work made me $2,500. And just thinking about that 3 minutes of literally saying something to a camera, blah 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 blah, uploading it when they wanted me to upload it, and 60 days later I had $2,500 sitting in my bank account, which was crazy. But again, my sponsorship prices have varied. I can't give you an exact figure, but if I had to add all of my sponsorship money up, I would say I've made around £5,000 from July onwards, and I'd say I'm pretty proud of that. The next source of income is one that I've sort of stopped now, but it was creating websites. I always used to like creating websites, so I had 2 clients and then I just gave up, it was too long. But I charged around £50 an hour, and I worked for around 8 hours, and I made around £400 from that. This was in summer, I think, summer, but I'm not doing that again, it's too much work. And finally, my last source of income is actually from an actual job, an actual paid job. So I was actually a marketing intern for a company in the summer, and my wage was around £10 an hour. So it lasted for 2 months, and I made around £100 a week. Again, this is average. Some weeks I made £200, some weeks I made like £90. But again, this was all online work. It was very, very chilled out. It was not stressful at all. I had my own time to do stuff. It was very chilled out, and I made £200 or £100 a week, which was really, really cool. I loved the opportunity, so I would say I made around £400 from this as an average. It might have been more. I think it probably would have been more, because it must have been more because £400? No, hold up, I've got this wrong, the maths. It lasted 2 months, and I made £100 a week. £800, sorry. £800, no, that sounds more like it. Does it? 8 weeks in 2 months. £100, yeah. £800, yeah, correct. So yeah, my marketing internship was pretty good, but then I stopped it for a few various reasons. But in total, here is the amount I have made in 2021, and you might be thinking it's a lot, you might not be thinking it's a lot, but I would say for me, I think I'm proud of myself because I'm 17 years old, and if you had told me last year I would make this in 1 year, less than a year, because I didn't really start at the beginning of the year, I'd have no words to say. Now you might be wondering what I've done with this money. Now obviously this money it's not like what do you call it? It's not all gone into my savings. Obviously I've spent it. I've had to buy a few things. I got my new phone, which I'm actually filming from. I got my studio lights behind me. I got quite a few different things, like a few presents, a few various things. But most of it has gone into investments, stocks and shares, my ISA, what else? Crypto. A bit of it's gone into crypto. Don't really know how that's going to work out. But yeah, most of it's gone into my savings, which is pretty good, and I'm proud of it. So I'm not going to touch it. At least I'm not going to try and touch it for the next couple of years, because I want to try getting into property. I want to get property as soon as possible, and yeah, hopefully 2022 will be a better year. Let's hope it's a better year, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, you can do it. You can start something of your own. You can do it. If you need any help, DM me, but you yourself have to create the idea. You know, you need to do something. You need to be proactive with it. You cannot take like slack. You need to. If you want to do it, then you'll do it. If you have the desire, you'll do it. But if you don't, then you're not going to do it. It's simple as that. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It would mean a lot if you could subscribe, like, comment. But yeah, have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.